What's up, boys? Good morning. Today is Wednesday, June 18th. Made $6,600 in one trade. So I actually made a little less on the day because I lost a trade. I took a win and a loss. Let's go over both trades because I personally think they're both great trades. All right, so I think I lost $500 and then I made 6.6 thousand. So I'm up $6.2 thousand on the day. Let's go over both trade recaps. This is the second trade. This is the first trade. So we did have a few draws on liquidity, obviously. This was going to be one of them. But essentially what happened is market dumped at market open. Honestly, this move down for me was not justified by any means because we had these two 15-minute fair value gaps. Somehow this one got respected. I really wanted both to get respected. But this sweep was really not necessary for me today. But I guess we swept liquidity, respected the 5-minute. Now, there was no clean entry here on the 5-minute. I wanted this inverse. There was not a single clean fucking entry. Price kept edging it. Look, from 9:45 to 10 for 15 minutes, we spent 15 minutes edging this 5-minute. So no entry off that, which is pretty fucking crazy. And then to make matters worse, wait, I want to look out for an SMT. I'm in long on my personal. Sorry. All right. To make matters worse, we got on 5-minute, right? So I hopped onto the lower time frame. I see that where was this? Yeah, market is just pushing up V-shaped recovery, and then I see a nice displacement to the upside. In my eyes, there's no reason for price to break structure. Once again, it wasn't the best trade because we weren't displacing from a higher time frame PD rate, and that is my mistake. But we all make mistakes, right? But it was a 1-minute break of structure to the upside. I saw that as really nice confirmation. Fortunately, was clearly not enough confirmation because I was targeting this high. And I instantly got stopped out. But yeah, this is based off a continuation 1-minute break of structure with a nice draw on liquidity. All right. Second trade of the day was this 1-minute IFEG. So on the 15-minute, we reject and we respect this 15-minute liquidity sweep. Push up on the 5-minute. What do we get? A bullish 5-minute fair value gap. We tap into this bullish 5-minute fair value gap. Coming out of that, what do we see? Nothing on the 3-minute. Nothing on the 2-minute. 1-minute bearish fair value gap. What the fuck do? We inverse it. 1-minute IFEG coming out of a 5-minute fair value gap, targeting this previous swing high that we had at 7:50, 7:40 a.m. They're also relative equal highs, but it's just a nice draw on liquidity, right? So overall, great fucking trade. Caught around, 25 points. Now, this was all only on one XFA. I do have 5 accounts, but I did trade Asia last night on them. I'm not going to post that trade recap because my Asia trades aren't as higher quality. But on 4 accounts, I traded Asia. And one of my accounts with TopStep, I'm sure I brought it up in the past, is sort of on hold. They just won't fucking pay me out because the account is not recognized on my TopStep dashboard. But hopefully I can fix that soon. My goal is to get that payout soon. But whatever the fuck it is, my balance is at $12,000. So that account should get a $5,000 max payout whenever I'm like allowed to, I guess. But bro, I'm just mad because I just made $13,000 on that account. And if I can't get paid out from it, that'd just be really unfortunate, you know? So 2 trades of the day. One was based off a 1-minute break of structure and continuation. The other one was based off a 5-minute fair value gap and 1-minute IFEG targeting an internal high. Also, overall bias was bullish because look at the 4-hour. We respected this fair value gap in a premium range and respected this 4-hour order block. Look at the hourly. We respected this hourly fair value gap and just swept internal sell side. So everything for the day is honestly just bullish. No reason for price to push any lower. That's why the move at market open to the downside also surprised me. I thought it was a bit unfortunate. Push up, bro. But yeah. Sorry, I was looking at my position. All right, if you guys have any questions about the trade, let me know. That's my bad. I was looking at my position. Currently 10:11 a.m. So still time in the day to trade. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment them. You have an Instagram, TikTok, whatever it is, DM us on there. We did just open up a one-on-one mentorship program. If you guys are interested in being mentored by me, by all means, click the application in the bio and I'll see if you're a good fit for it. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a nice day and peace out.